Hey, I'm Hassa with WTI, and I was just enjoying a great snack that a lot of people love, especially if you come from Mexico or countries in the world where people really like spicy food. These are the hot chili pepper and lime flavor extreme spicy roll tortilla chips, Takis. These are pretty famous where I come from. Me and my friends used to do a lot of challenges on who would stand in the spiciness the most, and we really love it. It's something that I enjoy eating if I have a glass of water with me because it is really spicy. They are spicy, but they're not impossible to eat if you like spicy food, especially spicy chips. I love that they come in little rolls, and that makes it more interesting. It's not your regular shipped shape, it really has an authentic taste. This is a snack size that I can put in my purse or I can take with me if I am craving for something spicy any time of the day and I'm not at home. If you love spicy snacks, well, these Takis are for you. I think they are very enjoyable. And yeah, that's my point of view.